Good morning, student of class 8. Myself Anjani Pandey, and today I will teach you English literature, remaining part of first chapter Kabliwala. And please save my contact number 9450495165. Otherwise you will not get message, and convey the message to the others to save it. So from here we have to start. After reading, then I explain it. So here, after she left, Rahman sat on the floor. He suddenly realized that his daughter too must have grown up, and he would have to make friends with her anew. And I took out a banknote and gave it to him. I told him to go back to his country and meet his daughter. I wish that the happiness of his meeting might bring good fortune to my child. I had to curtail some festivities, having made this present, and I could not have the decoration of electric lights, nor the military band, and the ladies of the family were despondent at it. But the wedding feast seemed brighter to me because of the thought that in a distant land a long lost father met again with his only child. This one chapter of Rabindranath Tagore. Now explanation, listen carefully. Here, and she left, Rahman sat on the floor. He suddenly realized that his daughter too must have grown up. What happened? What is the scene here? Everyone, you understand now. Kabliwala means Abdul Rahman, released from jail. And now, suppose that today released and tomorrow he has gone to Minnie's house. At the time Minnie was going to get married. This time the festive means function program is going on, and after means first he has met with narrator of this chapter, and now after narrator has called Minnie to meet Kabliwala means Abdul Rahman. And after she left, Rahman sat on the floor, and he suddenly realized that his daughter too must have grown up. And now after she left, when Minnie and both means Minnie and Kabliwala both they have talked together, and after Minnie has gone for, then again Rahman sat on the floor for some time. This time the narrator of this chapter realized that his daughter too must have grown up. It means his daughter now, it means like young means grown up, and then after he would have to make new friends in a different way. He has you know that already, that Minnie has in another way Minnie has made friends like Kabliwala. This is the reason he came. And now I took out a banknote and gave it to him. And after the narrator has gone in the room, study room, and has taken a banknote. Banknote means like check, you understand, and gave it to him. Okay, and gave it to him. To him means whom? Means Kabliwala. And I told him to go back to his country and meet his daughter. And after the narrator, what he said? Said, take this banknote and go to his own country. Own country, why? To meet his own daughter. Actually, he was very sad, because what Kabliwala is thinking, that Minnie is just like his own daughter. This is the reason he was coming regularly. And now I wish that the happiness of his meeting bring good fortune to my child. And actually why he has given, there is a reason. Actually the narrator was thinking that I have given a banknote, so maybe he will meet his daughter, so it's a good for my own daughter. Own daughter means Minnie. My own daughter Minnie's good life, good fortune. This is the reason here. And I had to curtail some festivities. And after this, what will be the situation after this? I had to curtail. I have to reduce. I have to do less. What? Festivities means any program, any function, any festival is there. So I have to do less, reduce my everything. And this one, it will be the present. And I could not have the decoration of electric lights. So maybe how we can survive that we will not do any type of decoration, electric bulbs or any military band. And in the ladies of the family were dependent at. despondent at the means in the program. Then what to do? Means not any electric bulb will be, and not any military band. After this, what is means situation? Means the ladies, means whatever ladies program they have come, and now they were totally despondent. They were not happy. They were angry about it. And after that, it seemed brighter to me because of the thought that in the distant land. But I was totally satisfied. I was quite happy of this scene. And a long lost father met again with his only child. Why? But the narrator was quite happy. Why? Because he has given a banknote, and maybe a long lost father. That father already he has came to India for selling for purpose. So he will meet his own daughter. This is the main important things of this chapter of Kabuliwala that was written by Rabindranath Tagore. And now here are some questions. Read and understand. Answer the following questions orally. There are 5 questions, and here tick you have to do. Means today find it out, the question, underline it, and tomorrow I will tell. Here tick. After reading the question, you have to tick it which one right. Okay. So you have to do. Another question is 6. Another questions are there. So here you have to find it out. This one only orally questions. Easy questions are there. You have to underline. Rest part means this part I will tell you another day. Okay. Thank you.